Want to learn some Thai? Great. You're in for an exciting adventure. Thailand is a country rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket, there's so much to explore and experience. So, you're going to Thailand? That's fantastic. Whether you're planning to visit the ancient temples, enjoy the vibrant nightlife, or simply relax on a beach, Thailand has something for everyone. Awesome. It's beautiful, the food is amazing, and the people are even better. Thai cuisine is world-renowned and the street food is a must-try. Imagine savoring a bowl of hot and spicy tom yum soup or biting into a crispy spring roll. But, let's be honest, trying to speak a new language can be really hard. The Thai language has its own unique script and tones, which can be quite challenging for beginners. You might find yourself struggling to pronounce words correctly or understand what locals are saying. Imagine this. You're at a market smelling all the amazing food and you see a fruit that looks totally strange. It's vibrant, colorful, and you've never seen anything like it before. You want to know what it is, but you don't know how to ask. You want to ask, what is that? But the words just don't come out right. Or maybe you're worried about mispronouncing it and causing confusion. Or, you're at a restaurant with a menu you can't understand, trying to order food just by pointing. Yeah, not fun. You might end up with a dish you didn't expect, or worse, something you don't like. That's where we come in. Learning a few basic Thai phrases can make a huge difference. It shows respect for the local culture and can help you connect with people on a deeper level. Knowing even a little Thai can make your trip way better. You'll be able to ask for directions, order food, and even bargain at markets. Plus, locals will appreciate your effort and be more willing to help you out. It's like learning a secret code that can help you find the best pad Thai ever. So get ready to immerse yourself in the Thai culture and don't be afraid to practice speaking Thai. Your adventure awaits. Let's start with the most important word, Sawasdi. This simple yet profound word is your key to unlocking the warmth and hospitality of Thailand. It's more than just a greeting, it's a gesture that embodies respect, friendliness, and a sense of community. It means hello, but it also means you're being respectful and friendly. When you say Sawasdi, you're not just saying a word, you're participating in a cultural exchange that bridges gaps and brings people closer together. You can use it anywhere, at a market, at your hotel, or even when you're exploring the bustling streets of Bangkok. It's a versatile word that fits into any situation, making your interactions smoother and more pleasant, or even saying hi to a cute animal. Imagine the joy on a local's face when they see you greeting their beloved pet with such warmth. Trust me, saying Sawasdi is really helpful. It's a small effort that goes a long way in making your stay more enjoyable. Locals appreciate it when you try to speak their language, even if it's just a single word. People will smile and maybe even give you a discount. Yes, you heard that right. A simple Sawasdi can sometimes lead to unexpected perks like a friendly discount at a local market. And the best part? It's easy to say. You don't need to be fluent in Thai to make a good impression. Just a sincere Sawasdi can open doors and hearts. Just smile and say Sawasdi. It's a small word with a big impact, making your journey through Thailand even more memorable. Now you know Sawasdi, let's learn Kop Kun. It means thank you. Kop Kun is like a big hug. Say it when someone helps you or gives you food. Just like Sawasdi, a little effort makes a big difference. Okay, let's be real. Everyone needs to use the bathroom. Knowing how to ask where it is can be really important. The magic words are Hong Nam Ut Nai, meaning where is the bathroom. This is super helpful, especially if you eat spicy food. Let's talk about shopping. Thailand has great markets, but no one wants to pay too much. Raka Tao Rai means how much is this? It's your secret to getting good deals. In Thailand, it's okay to ask for a lower price. It's part of the fun. After a long day of exploring, sightseeing, or perhaps even a long business meeting, you'll want to check into your hotel easily and without any hassle. The last thing you need is a complicated check-in process when all you want to do is relax and unwind. Chan Pomjong Hong means, I want to book a room. This simple phrase can make your check-in process smoother and more efficient. Imagine walking up to the reception desk and confidently stating your intention in the local language. It's like having a reservation on your tongue. The staff will appreciate your effort to speak their language, and it can create a more personal and friendly interaction. Sure, you can book online and it's convenient, but saying this phrase in Thai adds a touch of fun and adventure to your travel experience. It shows that you're making an effort to immerse yourself in the local culture. The hotel staff might even give you a better room. A little effort goes a long way, and who knows, you might end up with an upgrade or some extra perks just for trying to speak the local language. We all need Wi-Fi. Me Wi-Fi may? Means do you have Wi-Fi? Don't be shy to ask for the password. Thailand has amazing food, but what if you're hungry and can't read the menu? Chan Phom Hao means I'm hungry. Just say it and point at what looks good. It's important to drink water in Thailand. Chan Phom Ao Nam means I want water. This is a really useful phrase to know. Meeting new people is fun. Chan Phom Majok means I'm from. Tell people where you're from. They might ask you questions about your home. Want to make new friends? Ask their name. Kun Chui Arai means what is your name? Remembering someone's name is a nice thing to do. So, there you have it. Important Thai phrases to help you on your trip. Even if you don't say them perfectly, trying is what matters. Learning a little Thai shows respect and helps you connect with people. Now go practice and have an amazing time in Thailand.